Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bank of America account with Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Bank of America account with the Acorns app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Acorns app, then click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Settings. Next, click on Linked Accounts. Then on the upper right hand corner, click on the three dots or click on Link Another Account. So on this page here, click on Bank of America. And then it's going to redirect you to this software called Plaid. Plaid is what Acorn uses in order to connect financial institutions together. So from here, it'll ask you to enter a code. So enter that code, then click on continue. And then it's simply going to ask you to actually log in to the Bank of America app. So simply just follow the on-screen prompts from here and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bank of America account to the Acorns app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.